Testosterone. This single word evokes images of masculinity, strength, and virility. But what exactly is testosterone and why is it so crucial for men? In simple terms, testosterone is a hormone, a chemical messenger that plays a key role in male growth and development, produced primarily in the testes with a small amount also produced in the adrenal glands. Testosterone is often called the male hormone because men produce much more of it than women. However, it's important to remember that women also produce testosterone, albeit in smaller amounts. Testosterone's influence extends far beyond just physical characteristics. It impacts a wide range of bodily functions, from muscle mass and bone density to mood, sex drive, and even thinking abilities. In essence, testosterone is a powerful hormone that plays a fundamental role in shaping a man's physical and mental well-being throughout his life. This essay will delve into the multifaceted world of testosterone, exploring its profound effects on the male body. From its role in shaping physical attributes to its influence on behavior, mood, and overall health, we'll uncover the science behind this powerful hormone. Join me as we unravel the mysteries of testosterone and its impact on men's health. Testosterone is not just about physical strength or muscle mass, it also plays a crucial role in mental health, influencing mood and cognitive functions. Low levels of testosterone can lead to mood swings, depression, and even anxiety. Understanding and managing testosterone levels can be key to maintaining overall well-being. Whether you're a young man going through puberty or an older man looking to stay active, testosterone is a vital part of your health. Ongoing research continues to uncover new aspects of how testosterone affects the body and mind. From supplements to lifestyle changes, there are various ways to manage and optimize testosterone levels. Join us as we explore these methods and learn how to harness the power of testosterone for a healthier, more balanced life. Together, we'll navigate the complexities of this essential hormone and its profound impact on men's health and well-being. Testosterone is the driving force behind the development of male physical characteristics. During puberty, a surge in testosterone production ushers in a period of dramatic transformation. This is when boys begin to develop distinctly male features that set them apart from females. The most noticeable changes occur in physical appearance. Facial hair begins to sprout, often starting as a light mustache on the upper lip and eventually developing into a full beard. The voice deepens, taking on a lower pitch that is characteristic of adult males. These changes are not merely superficial, they are outward signs of testosterone's powerful effects on the body. Testosterone also plays a crucial role in bone development. It increases bone density, making bones stronger and less prone to fractures. This is particularly important during adolescence, a time of rapid growth and development. Furthermore, testosterone influences the distribution of body fat. Men typically store fat differently than women, with a tendency to accumulate more fat in the abdominal area. While this can have health implications later in life, it is a natural consequence of testosterone's influence on metabolism and fat storage. In essence, testosterone orchestrates a complex symphony of changes that transform a boy into a man, sculpting his physical appearance and shaping his overall physique. Beyond just bones and fat, testosterone is also pivotal in muscle development. It promotes increased muscle mass, giving males their typically more muscular build. This enhanced muscle growth contributes to greater physical strength. Additionally, testosterone influences mood and energy levels, often leading to increased energy and confidence during adolescence. It also plays a crucial role in the development of the male reproductive system, ensuring the proper growth and function of male reproductive organs. Overall, testosterone's impact is profound and far-reaching, guiding a boy through the complex journey to manhood. It's a celebration of transformation, growth, and the incredible power of this hormone. Testosterone has often been linked to aggression, risk-taking, and drive. This powerful hormone plays a significant role in shaping our behaviors and decisions. But, it's not just about making reckless decisions, it's also about channeling that energy effectively. It's about motivation and the pursuit of goals. Testosterone can fuel our ambition and determination. Higher levels of testosterone can enhance competitive behavior, which can be beneficial in many aspects of life, from sports to business and even personal achievements. The relationship between testosterone and behavior is, pretty complex. It's influenced by a variety of factors, including genetics, environment, and individual experiences. So while testosterone plays a significant role, it's not the sole determinant of how we act. Striking a balance is crucial for optimal health. Both too much and too little testosterone can lead to problems. Maintaining healthy levels of testosterone supports overall well-being, including mental health, physical fitness, and emotional stability. It's all about finding that sweet spot.
If you have watched until the end of this video and think you've learned anything new or anything of value, please don't forget to press the like button and subscribe to the channel to stay up to date with all the videos. Don't forget to press the bell icon as well. Stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you.